Assalamu alaikum guys. In today's video I'll tell you how to write an essay according to the board pattern. So first of all I'll tell you what is an essay. An essay means attempt or effort to do or accomplish something. An essay is a regular well connected written piece dealing with one topic or subject. So now we will talk about the three essential part of the essay, and that is introduction, body, and the third one is conclusion. First of all, we'll talk about the first essential part of the essay, and that is introduction. So guys, basically introduction introduces the essay. It should be brief and to the point. It hints at the keynote of the essay. It is better to begin an essay with a popular proverb or saying if possible. It serves as the foundation of the essay. Now we will talk about the second essential part of the essay, and that is body. So guys, the body of an essay is its main part. It deals with the prominent facts, ideas, illustrations, examples and personal views of the writer also. It must be written in well-framed sentences that are connected to one another in a logical manner. It must not be a collection of ideas, but they must be written and explained in a chain based on proper grading and logical reasoning. So while writing the body of the essay, you can also write the quotation according to the given situation of the last and the next paragraph of your essay. Now we will talk about the third essential part of the essay, and that is conclusion. So guys, the conclusion of an essay should be striking but brief. The end must come in a natural manner. It should not be sudden, because in this way it is not an impressive essay. So you have to end your essay in a natural manner, because these things seem good and impressive. Now guys, I'll tell you about the four main types of essays, and that are descriptive essays, narrative essays, reflective essays, and the fourth one is imaginative essays. First of all, we'll talk about the descriptive essays. Descriptive essays deals with person, place, thing. A narrative essay deal with visit, journey. Reflective essay deal with like habits, feeling. Imaginative essay deal with like wishes, life stories of things and adventure of some man or animals. Now guys, we will talk about the main elements of the essay. The first one is length. Students, if you are in class 7 or 8, then 4 sides of the page are enough. And if you are a student of metric like 10th and second year, then you have to write at least 6 to 7 sides of the pages. Now guys, we will talk about the second element of an essay, and that is quotation. Guys, it is better to begin an essay with a popular proverb or quotation. And one thing more, keep in your mind, you have to write your essay in paragraph form, and after each paragraph you can write the quotation, and your quotation must be relevant to the previous or the next paragraph of your essay. Next is vocabulary. So guys, your vocabulary must be very good and impressive for writing an essay, because if you have abundant of words, then you can write different word in your essay, and this thing seem too good. Next main element is bold. So guys, must use marker for while writing an essay to make some information and date prominent. For example, if you are writing an essay about Quaid-e-Azam, you can use marker for writing his date of birth and death, because in this way it will be prominent and seem too good. Next element is mistakes. Mostly students commit too many mistakes while writing an essay, and it seems too bad. So avoid to commit too many mistakes while writing an essay. Our next element is tenses. So students, while writing an essay, you can use present and future both tenses. While writing introduction and body of the essay, you can use present tense, and mostly we can use future tense as well while writing the conclusion. Basically, we just give our own opinion about the given topic or subject in conclusion. That's why we can write present and future both tenses. Now guys, we will talk about the last element of an essay, and that is indentation. So guys, in the written form of any language or the written piece, an indentation or indent is an empty space at the beginning of a line to signal the start of a new paragraph. So keep it in your mind, indentation, while writing an essay. Guys, this is the format of an essay writing according to the board pattern. If you adopt this criterion format for writing an essay, inshallah you will get good marks in your exam. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.